Hello everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn off the text prediction in Gboard keyboard. So if you are using Gboard on your phone and you want to turn off the text prediction, here's how you can do it. First, you can just open maybe any message with the keyboard, any apps with the keyboard on it, or you can just go to settings and find apps, then find the Gboard keyboard. Okay, here I'm going to find the Gboard. Scroll down. Okay, this one's right here. Click on the Gboard apps and then click on open. Okay, so this is the settings for the Gboard, and if you want to turn off the auto text prediction, you can just go to the text corrections here, and here you need to turn this off. So here you can see a next word suggestion. Just turn this off and the text prediction or the next word suggestions will be off. So you can just go back, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.